Well, hey, happy to see you here. We have some exciting updates from the MuuvWell team, and as you can tell, we're in a new space. So we're going to show you, give you a tour, talk through some of the things that we're doing right now, some exciting updates, and some other cool stuff. After you. All right, so some updates from our side. As you all know, we were at Adam Street for a long time. That was our last office space, and now you can tell it looks a lot different. So we are currently at the WKU Innovation Campus. We're in the Small Business Accelerator, which is just a really cool opportunity, a ton of resources, and just exciting things always happening in this building. So we'll give you a little bit of a tour of the building, and then we'll show you our new office space. So let's go. Okay, so what's really cool about this place too, as you can tell, it doesn't look like a place where businesses would necessarily be. So if you look over here to the right and to the left, you can see it's like a really open space. So this actually used to be the old mall here in Bowling Green. They used to have a dollar movie theater in here. They used to have a lot of different companies and businesses in here that were more like retail stuff, but now it's actual businesses. And over here, we'll go through these doors and we'll show you where our new office is. And this is called the Small Business Accelerator, so pretty self-explanatory, but basically it helps small businesses support small businesses like MuuvWell to have more resources, to be able to excel and do well, and it's been amazing already. So we'll walk through these doors and we'll show you our little tour to get back to our office, and then we'll show you our new office space. All right, this is Tour de MuuvWell. So this is how we get back to our office. We got bathroom right here on the right and the left, men and women, lots of bathroom opportunities here. And let's go ahead, before we go to the office, let's just show them this. So right here on the left is a conference room. And what's cool about this space too is there are 3 different conference rooms that we can rent at any point, and rent as in book them, and we can use that to have more of like team building exercises if people need to have one-on-one meetings. So it's just really cool opportunities to have that we did not have at our old space. And now we can check out the office. More bathrooms that way, which is nice. But all right, and what's cool too is, we're moving our stuff into our new space. Obviously we had a lot of equipment, a lot of office things that we needed, and we're like the last office by the back door. So nice loading deck area here, but we'll walk in here. And what's going to be funny about this is Kevin, our CEO, is in here, and I don't even know that he knows that we're doing this, so he's going to be totally caught off guard. So we'll see. But got our nice nameplate there. Oh yeah, there he is, Mr. CEO.
Working hard.
Yeah, working hard, not doing much, huh? Yeah. So this is the new space. We've pretty well settled in now at this point. We like to operate in the dark here, but you can flip the lights on too if you'd like. So a nice lounge area right here with the TV. Yeah, get out of here, Kevin. All right. We're filming content. So we have a nice little lounge area here. We got our TVs on the wall. Got our mini fridge, 2 seats. Over here we have Nevaeh, who's behind the camera. We have her workstation. It's a electric desk, so you can stand or sit, which is nice. Over here is our filming area. So again, we've like really made the most of the space, which has been cool. We have our softbox lights, our backlights. We have a TV on a stand, which has been super clutch. We have our bench still. We have our assault runner. We refuse to get rid of that. And then we have our conference table here. So if we have people pop in that need to do some work, any part-time folks or people that want to come and just visit the office, they can sit here. And this is also our podcast hub now. So we have 3 microphones. And we've officially filmed 3 podcasts in this space, and it'll probably change some. So we have 1 mic for someone here, 1 mic for someone here, and then another mic for somebody here. And then the man in charge, Mr. Kevin Wynn, this is his desk. He'll be standing at all times. His is not electric. Nevaeh and I are spoiled. But yeah, this is Kevin's space. We have our bookshelf with a ton of books back there. And then this is my desk. So same thing as Nevaeh's, pretty similar, standing and seating desk. But yeah, I think that pretty much covers the tour of the office. We're excited to be in here, and we're just, again, grateful for the WKU Innovation Campus. Amazing people in this building. We've already made a ton of connections, but we just wanted to provide some cool updates for MuuvWell. We've only been in this space for like 2 or 3 weeks, so it's very new, very fresh, but learning as we go. And I think we should end it with the beautiful MuuvWell that we salvaged from our old office. Up here, we have some beautiful lights behind it. Let me kill the main lights. Look at that, beautiful. But anyway, that is some updates from the MuuvWell team, a tour of the new office. Hope you all enjoyed it, and we hope to talk to you all soon.